Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna mayo salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of quality tuna, about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1 stalk of crisp celery. Don't forget a small onion and some fresh parsley for extra flavor. Make sure to drain your tuna really well. This step is crucial for a perfect consistency. Now, let's get everything prepped for mixing. Now that your ingredients are prepped, it's time to mix. In a medium bowl, gently flake the drained tuna. Add about 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise or adjust to your preference for creaminess. Stir in the finely diced celery and onion. For seasoning, a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice will brighten all the flavors. Mix everything until just combined. Want to make your tuna salad truly unique? Consider adding some chopped pickles for a tangy kick or a hard-boiled egg for extra protein. You can also experiment with different herbs like dill or chives. Remember to taste and adjust the mayonnaise and seasonings until it's perfect for you. Once mixed, cover and chill for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully before serving. Proper storage is key to enjoying your delicious tuna mayo salad. Always transfer any leftovers to an airtight container and refrigerate it promptly. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep. Remember, food safety is important, so don't leave it out at room temperature for too long. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.